Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm gonna take you guys to go fill up one of my ATM machines.
And I actually already went to the bank and I got cash. This is $4,000 here. So that's actually gonna be 200 bills, and that's gonna play a role here in a second.
So I just parked the car. Now we just have to walk a couple blocks to go fill up the machine. How's it going? Good, good. All right, so when you first buy your ATM, you're gonna get a key, and this key you're gonna be able to use on all of your ATMs. So when you first get there, unlock your ATM with that key, and then you're gonna type in your password and hit that pound button, and that's gonna unlock your ATM. So you first wanna check that reject bin, and then you're gonna wanna pull out the cassette. And same thing, you're gonna have another key here, and that's gonna unlock that cassette. And then you're gonna make sure you wanna get your cash ready, take off all of the bands so that your ATM doesn't get jammed up. And once you have all of the money ready to go, take it, open the cassette here, and they're gonna pull this black slider back, and then you're going to make sure all of the bills are aligned here. You wanna make sure that there's any funny bills or anything like that. And then you're gonna close that slider, close the cassette up, make sure it's locked nice and tight, and then you're going to put it right back into the ATM, and then you want to make sure your door is shut good, and you're going to lock up your ATM here. So now that's the cash part. Now what we're going to do is we are actually going to lock it up, and we're going to go into the software part by hitting enter, clear, cancel 1, 2, 3, and that's going to take us into the back end here where it's going to ask us for our password. So go ahead and put your master password in, and then hit enter. And that's going to take us to this screen. We're going to hit ATM OP. Then we're going to go over here to the left hand side, hit settlement, add cassette, and then add cassette 1. And then we're going to input the amount of bills, so 200 bills, which is $4,000. Go ahead and hit enter, and that's going to update our total here, and our total is $4,180. And once you have that here, go ahead and hit cancel all the way out. I think it's 3 times, and that's going to take us back to the main menu. So I always do a test transaction after I fill my machine. So I stick my personal debit card in, and then I go ahead and hit English. And then right here, I'm going to type in my PIN number for my debit card. And then all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do a balance check, and that's going to update my ATM on the back end. You can also withdraw a $20 bill if you want to, just to double check and make sure your ATM's up and running properly. So once the transaction process, I'm just going to take my receipt, take my card, and that's it. So we're going to hop over here to our online portal, and as you can see, our ATM just updated, so it shows that $4,000 was just added into the machine. So you basically do $4,180 and you subtract the 180, and that's $4,000 that we just added. Last month, this machine actually did 190 transactions, and that actually came out to be $570 that we made in profit just by having our ATM machine in the business and dispensing cash to our customers. So every time a customer used our ATM machine, we collected that $3 fee. So $3 times 190 times 90 transactions is $570 that we made in profit. You can take that money and you can save it as profit and maybe use it to buy some more machines, or you can take that money and you can use it however you want. You can go buy a car, you can use it for the mortgage on your house, you can do whatever you want with it, because that is pure profit. The most important thing that you have to do before you start your ATM business is click on this video right here, because I'm going to go over the 8 steps that you need to take before you start your business. You don't want to miss any of those steps because you don't want to make mistakes, and most importantly, you don't want to lose money. So I'll see you guys over there. Peace.